Popsy Daisy?
Yeah, something like that. Fucking bullshit clips. Look at these fuckers. Biggest piece of bullshit I've ever seen. Fuck it.
Damn! Bitch is on there good.
I'm gonna fucking pop that one off. Does this need to be going to the new thing?
Let's take a look here.
I'm not too sure where that's going to.
That's running down. Is that a regular vacuum line? No, it's a big boy.
That is some sort of vacuum line. Just going right there.
Right. I think there's a normal vacuum line down there, and I think that's where we have to go out to AutoZone to buy more vacuum line. Because if you look down here...
Well, doesn't that line right there have to go over to the new BLV?
Right. But look, do you see this clamp right here?
Yeah.
This hose thickens up right here, and then you have your regular, normal size vacuum line right there.
Okay.
So this would be too...
the diverter.
Yeah, this is too thick to run, so we're going to have to unclamp that because it takes, like, the regular vacuum line right on top.
Vacuum line.
So we got to get back in there and tear that motherfucker off.
Alright, so we just need to go get some vacuum line. Well, let's get this all mocked up first and see what else we need so we don't have to make 12 trips.
Exactly, here, hold that. That's going to be a bitch to get that off.
You might even be able to, I wouldn't say pull it, but...
I'm not really going to pull it, I'm going to try to...
I mean, just think your intake can move over a little bit.
When in doubt, you just move the fucking intake out of the way.
Yeah, that's one way to do it, for sure.
Get that motherfucker off. You want to give me a screwdriver so we can do the same thing again?
Yeah, you want what, a flathead?
Yeah, a little tiny flathead, because it's just a little guy. It's just a little guy. I like how we can never do anything like properly to my car.
Damn right we can't. I mean, you're the guy who does own a Haggard Garage, like, work coat.
You know what? I probably should have been wearing that because I don't want to get my hoodie dirty, but that's okay.
You got it in the car? Fuck it, throw it on.
Nope, it's sitting at home. I actually washed it for the first time.
There you go.
My screwdriver.
Fuck, dude.
Hang on, I can get it. Where'd it go?
It's just like when you drop a goddamn 10 though, you can't find the fucking thing. Here, hold that.
Because it's just a little tiny screwdriver.
I'll find it, hold on.
Whoopsie.
And this is why projects take 10 times as long as they're supposed to with us.
Yep, hang on. We'll be back after the screwdriver. Dude, I told you that thing would be meant. We got the diverter off. And we found the screwdriver.
3 hours later.
Here you go, hold that. It wasn't 3 hours later, you motherfucker. Oh, that's gonna be a gorgeous sight. So, is it bad that I want to actually get more vacuum line than I need so I can run it the opposite direction?
Why?
Why?
What the opposite direction?
The logo and everything. Nah, I'm joking. I don't care enough to actually run it the wrong way, but we got the line off. We got this bad boy sitting here for the intake. Before I forget, because I know I'm personally going to forget.
I was just about to plug that back in too.
Let's plug the sensor back in. Man, that thing's not going anywhere. So all we need to do is get a fitting for that, and a little bit more vacuum line, and possibly little tiny hose clamps.
No, I got plenty of those.
Oh, hell yeah! This is coming together a lot better than usual. Am I right? Usually when we do shit, it's terrible.
I don't know if it's terrible, but it's a bit of a clusterfuck.
I mean, my exhaust is falling from the last time we went to go fix it. Grab the extension. It's coming together a lot quicker than usual projects. Maybe while we're at AutoZone, or do you have self-tapping screws? Because I want to try to hang that sheet up with self-tapping screws.
What sheet?
The sheet that holds the undercarriage of the exhaust. It fell off when I was driving.
Oh, that one. I don't know. I might have something, but.
Oh, let's see. If not, it's not a big deal. We can worry about that for next time.
That plug isn't going anywhere.
Beautiful.
Alright, so now I can plug on. All we need is vacuum line, that piece of hose. It'll go from your intake, your charge pipe up there to
Yes.
the HKS. We need a vacuum line that goes from the HKS to your, what's it called?
Yeah, so pretty much we're gonna head over to AutoZone. Go from there. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, no, honestly, I think we just need. If this is, you're better off just having it sit like this.
That's what I'm gonna do.
So you need probably about I'd say about 2 foot. Just to have shits and giggles.
I'm gonna buy
extra.
3, just to be on the safe side.
Right. Bring the HKS with you.
So then we can make sure we have a proper fitting.
We also have to think this fitting right here is gonna be a lot bigger than that. So we gotta find a hose that'll fit over that, but at the same time still.
The beauty.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back. Just picked up some hose. We did a test fit and it was nice and snug. You know what I should probably do? Start running the line
Yeah.
for the boost.
Right here, you think we good?
That should be good, man. Kind of get to right about there. Because the hardest part about what I'm about to do is to actually get this line over and down. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 hands, so we'll catch back up in a wee bit. Alright, so what we have going on here is, what is this, radiator hose?
Pretty much.
Radiator hose to the charge pipe to the HKS, and then we just had to do some rigging here to get that to even work right. Now we're cutting the vacuum line.
And then how close do you want that? Do you want me to cut it so it's like that, or how else do you want me to run it?
Maybe just a little bit loose, just in case there is like torque within it, so nothing's gonna pop off, you know?
So you think it's something like that?
Yeah, just a little. Actually, do you know what we should probably do? We should try to see if we can tuck it more into the back more. I'll get a zip tie and kind of zip tie it down to this, just so then it's not getting anywhere close to engine, anything like that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, that would be good for now. So it's all wired up. It should be able to start running.
Right, but here's what I want to do first. I don't trust this. Can we clamp that? And plus, I don't think, yeah. I need to hook up the sensor again.
You took it off?
Yeah, I took it off just because it's a lot easier to work with that nut in the way. started coming now. There we go. I'm still filming.
Maybe if I do it like that, maybe. Fuck is under good, I'll say that.
Hey, pull the line back off of this, run it all the way down. Or you can do that too.
Now, do what now?
I just want to clamp this part down.
Oh, that?
The best of our abilities, because I don't want it to torque off.
No, it won't. I mean, it's not really going to pull out of there. I got it in there really well. I thought you meant this on that.
I mean, we could.
So if it's just rubber clamping down on rubber, you're going to just pinch in the line, it's not going to get a vacuum.
True.
So, I mean, if you want me to put it on there, I'll be glad to do it. I already got a hose clamp for it. But if you try and pinch down rubber on rubber like that, it's probably going to end up pinching that hose, and it's not going to get a good vacuum.
True. Yeah, let's just fashion it down to that. Here, do you want me to do this? No?
You got it?
You got it. Do you need me to move this out of the way?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Come on. There we go. Fucking drunk.
Yeah, that's on. It's not going nowhere.
Cool. Hold that. And then what I want to do is come over here. Just so it's away from all.
Oh, heat.
Yeah. I guess not get too tight around that, just to kind of hold it in place.
Right.
Because I don't want it wheeling around.
You should be able to put your intake back where it was, start it, and make sure we get all this crap cleaned up.
Yeah, I guess. Start it up.
Hold on. Well, let me move all that shit before you start it.